Come on in. Welcome to 412 St. George in Niverville's Highlands community. Now this beautiful home backs onto the 5th hole in Niverville's Old Drovers Run. You've got all of these windows at the back that overlook the golf course. This is a 15-foot high vaulted ceiling. I love the exposed beams. We've got the kitchen over here with quartz countertops. It is well appointed. There's lots to love about this kitchen, which flows into the dining area and the living room over here. Notice that stone feature wall, it's beautiful. The mudroom at the back has these convenient storage lockers, connects it to the triple attached garage that's insulated and drywalled, and includes a toy door at the back so that you can get your lawn tractor right out into the backyard with ease. The main floor includes 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. You've got laundry over here, and check out this primary bedroom. It is stunning. Now this home is built as a walkout basement, so it doesn't even feel like a basement. It walks right out into the backyard. It is spacious, perfect place for families to gather. You've got a wood-burning fireplace over here, wet bar over here, and on this side, you've got 2 more bedrooms and a full bathroom and plenty of storage. Imagine hosting your summertime get-togethers out on this back deck. You've got this covered portion here, you've got the composite decking, and it's surrounded by glass, so you always have an unobstructed view of the golf course. From a structural standpoint, this home is built on piles. It has a structural wood floor with your sump pump down there, so there's never any worry about getting any moisture into your basement.